Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza like a pro. Use a high-protein flour and ensure proper hydration for a pliable, elastic dough. Cold fermenting your dough for 2 to 3 days develops incredible flavor and texture. When ready, gently stretch the dough by hand, never use a rolling pin, to maintain its airy, delicate structure. Next, let's talk sauce and cheese. For the sauce, use high-quality canned San Marzano tomatoes, crushed by hand, and seasoned simply with salt and fresh basil. For cheese, always shred fresh, low-moisture mozzarella yourself. Pre-shredded varieties often contain anti-caking agents that prevent a perfect melt, so avoid them for a truly professional result. When it comes to toppings, less is often more. Keep your choices minimal to ensure even cooking and a balanced flavor profile. Slice vegetables thinly so they cook through quickly. Any meats, such as sausage or bacon, should be pre-cooked before adding them to the pizza. Distribute your toppings evenly, right to the edge, for a consistent bite. The final step is baking. Preheat your oven to 550 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza steel or stone inside for at least 1 hour. This high heat is crucial for a crispy crust. Bake your pizza for just 6 to 8 minutes, rotating halfway through. Finish with fresh basil or a drizzle of high-quality olive oil for an authentic touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.